BalanceWare, next-generation trial balance software, designed for the pressures of a demanding tax season. In this 3-minute video we will explore BalanceWare's cash flow dashboard. To open the dashboard, select the Cash Flow Dashboard button on the Accounting tab. The Cash Flow Dashboard consists of 5 tabs. Cash and cash equivalent accounts are assigned on the first tab. 2 accounts have already been selected in our sample company, savings, and cash in bank. On the next 3 tabs, accounts are assigned to the operating, investing and financing sections of the cash flow statement. The sample company has 5 cash flow lines defined on the left side of the Operating Activities tab. The first cash flow line is a header line. The line was created in the line details section of the form, by entering a description and checking the header description checkbox. The second line in this section is depreciation. We will delete the line, and recreate it for our demonstration. The third line is a header line, followed by changes in accounts receivable and accounts payable. The Investing Activities and the Financing Activities tab sections function exactly like the Operating Activities tab. Our sample company has 1 line in the Investing Activities section with fixed assets assigned to the line. Notice that our current year line total indicates we purchased $6,000 of equipment. However, this may not be a correct assumption. Our sample company may have purchased equipment, and perhaps sold equipment as well. To accommodate this, and similar situations, every cash flow line on the dashboard can be adjusted or overwritten. On the sample company's Financing Activities tab, the mortgage payable account has been assigned to the repayment of long-term debt cash flow line. The Diagnostics tab is used to troubleshoot your cash flows. In the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard, notice the 2 checks, indicating the cash flows balance. Looking down the left side, there are 5 diagnostics, accounts assigned more than once, unassigned balance sheet accounts, income statement accounts assigned, cash flow lines with adjustments, and cash flow lines with no assignments. Let's go back to Operating Activities, and make a couple intentional mistakes. Returning to the Diagnostics tab, we see that depreciation has been assigned twice. The unassigned balance sheet accounts list reveals that accounts receivable has not been assigned. Accumulated depreciation is also listed as unassigned, however, this can be ignored unless assets were sold or retired. No cash flows were generated by the lease deposit account. Cash flows from retained earnings can be ignored, unless there were distributions, or other changes, to retained earnings, other than net income. I'd like to show you the finished product, so let's fix these errors. Okay, great. Cash flows are once again balanced. We can print, PDF, or export our cash flow reports to word processing. Let's preview the 2-year cash flow report. For further information on cash flows, please see our website and our online help. We also have an in-depth blog post titled, "The Statement of Cash Flows, What a Long Strange Trip It's Been." We hope you find our 3-minute videos informative. Visit us on the web for the latest developments. Why not download our 30-day free trial? And please, let us know what you think, we value your feedback. Till next time, this is Tex Tilson for BalanceWare. Powerful tools to help you manage engagements.